Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Greenbelt local and long-distance movers near me. If you're moving away from Greenbelt, you've got enough to worry about while planning the moving process. You shouldn't have to stress about accidentally hiring a bad moving company that may damage your things, ship your stuff late, or cause other complications. Instead, hire 3 movers. We operate all throughout Maryland and the entire United States, so we're a great choice for long-distance moving in Greenbelt. Our team is fully licensed and insured, and we offer reasonable rates with guaranteed moving and delivery dates. Whether you're moving to a new apartment, want to live closer to work, or are moving for any other reason in Greenbelt, 3 Movers can help. We specialize in Greenbelt local moving services. Our team of professional movers and our fleet of trucks and vans are always standing by. We offer fast, guaranteed service, affordable hourly rates, and a smooth, efficient local moving experience in Greenbelt. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Greenbelt moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form